Hi, this is Rachel from Tyms. Let's look into how to create composite items and manage production orders using the Tyms software. On Tyms, you can streamline your manufacturing process by creating composite items, managing production orders, calculating costs, and ensuring you're always aligned with your available stock. To get started, first navigate to your Settings page. Under the Accounting section, click on the Composite Item tab. To activate the Composite Item feature, simply check the box and proceed to save. Once activated, it cannot be deactivated. After the activation process, the system will automatically create accounts for raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Now, leave the Settings page and go to the Inventory module. The first step is to add your raw materials to inventory. Click on the New button and select Item. Make sure to check the box to mark the item as a raw material when adding it to your inventory. This ensures it is tracked accurately in your raw materials inventory. Fill out the necessary details for the raw material. If you have an opening stock balance for the raw material, you can input that here. If not, you can restock later. Once everything is filled out, proceed to save. Your raw material item has been successfully added. If you don't have any available stock, use the Restock option to update the raw material item inventory. Now navigate to the Composite items. Click on the New button to create a composite item. Enter the necessary details for the composite item. When creating a composite item, you're required to input the raw materials needed to produce a unit of that item. Proceed to add the raw materials required. Now, add the respective quantities of the raw materials required to produce a unit of the composite item. This ensures that the system can accurately calculate the total cost and material needs when you begin production. Input the selling price for the unit of the composite item. You can always come back later to make changes if needed. Once you are satisfied, click on Save. Your composite item has successfully been created and will appear on the table overview. Next, you select the Production Order tab, then proceed to click on the New button to create a production order for your item. From the drop-down menu, select the composite item you want to produce. The system will automatically auto-populate the raw materials needed for a unit of item, based on what you set during the creation of the composite item. Input the quantity of composite items you wish to produce. The system will calculate the required quantities of raw materials and their costs based on the input. Keep in mind that you can only produce quantities that align with the available stock of raw materials. If you attempt to produce more than what's available, the system will notify you. If there are any additional costs, input them. If you've already made a deposit in respect to the additional costs, indicate the amount. Any remaining balance will be calculated in accounts payable. decide to add these additional costs to your cost of goods sold. If the checkbox is selected, the records will automatically be posted to the respective default cost of goods sold account. Once everything is set, proceed to save the production order as either pending or work in progress, depending on the current status of your production. When production is complete, set the production order to finished goods. This completes the production process. You can now view the details of the production and its impact on your inventory and financial records. And that's it! You've successfully created a composite item and completed a production order. Thank you for watching. See you next time.